Saan ba nakikita ang pagmamahal? Paborito ni Anika ang sinigang na luto ko. Yung homemade talaga, hindi instant ha. Kaya dapat high quality at matibay ang mga kitchen products tulad ng Avon Home. Avon Home na ang gamit ko dati pa. Lagi ko siyang naaasahan, kaya kahit nung bata pa si Anika, love na love niya ang luto ko. Nung lumalaki siya, pinapaluto niya sa akin to tuwing masaya o kapag kailangan niya ng karamay. Kahit kailan, kahit saan, kahit gaano katagal, hindi magbabago ang pagmamahal ng ina sa kanyang anak. Saan nga ba nakikita ang pagmamahal? Para sa akin, dito ko siya nakita, sa aming kusina.
The kitchen is the heart of the home, and it's important that your cooking tools are reliable and well-made. Avon Home products are quality tested by third-party institutions with the highest of standards. These tests are conducted to assure each product meets the functional, mechanical, safety, and quality requirements of Avon, as well as appropriate industry standards. Our products are tested on chemical properties such as lead and other heavy metals, and are food grade tested before mass production to ensure results meet Avon specification and government regulations. They're also designed to help you do multiple tasks with its versatile kitchen tools. You'll be able to keep your trusted tools sharp and organized. Quality affects everything, and it's the thought behind every Avon Home product. When your family depends on your cooking to suit the soul, trust Avon Home to give you high-quality kitchenware that stands by you.